Good morning, Turks and Caicos. Now that Hurricane Fiona is behind us, our focus as a country is restoration and recovery. We know that many of you spent the night without electricity. That is why Fortis TCI is committed to starting the restoration process as early as possible this morning. We have been working around the clock to ensure that everything is in place to get the job done. Our local crews are ready, and we have mobilized additional crews from the Fortis Group. Our initial assessment shows that the engines that generate the electricity to power your homes and businesses are intact, and our focus will be on repairing the transmission system to restore your service. So far, there are minimal reports of down power lines on Providenciales. A small number of down power lines have been reported on Grand Turk, North Caicos, and South Caicos, and we await updates on the situation in Middle Caicos and Salt Key. Here's a look at what you can expect as we move into the restoration process. On Providenciales, 3 components of the transmission system are currently down, and we will begin repairing them as a first step to restore electricity to critical services and a large number of customers across various areas. On Grand Turk, our team will also begin service restoration and pole replacement. On South Caicos, we will carry out additional assessment and begin restoring service. Crews will be deployed to North and Middle Caicos and Salt Key for additional assessment and service restoration. Our call center will be activated as of 8 a.m. this morning, and our customer service representatives will be ready to receive outage reports and queries. Let me assure you that restoring your service as safely and quickly as possible is our top priority. Once we have completed our damage assessments, we will be in a better position to provide estimates on restoration times and keep you updated on our progress. We sincerely appreciate your patience during this time. Thank you.